In this video, how to add bank account to Etsy. I will show you step by step how to add a bank account to Etsy to receive payments. First, go to the Etsy website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, click the option called Shop Manager. Now go to the left side menu of the platform. Find the option called Finances. Click Finances to open Financial Settings. Now click the option called Payment Settings. Inside Payment Settings, find the Bank section. Click the option called Add Bank Account. Now enter the account holder name. Enter the bank account number correctly. Provide the routing number or bank code. Select the bank country if requested. Review all the information entered. Make sure the details are correct. After that, click Save to add the bank account. Etsy may request verification of the account. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. After confirmation, payments will be sent to your bank account. This is how you can add a bank account to Etsy easily.